Hey friends, if you wish to fix ntoskrnl.exe high CPU or disk usage problem on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. The first solution is to update drivers. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down, select advanced options, select optional updates and update the drivers. Return to the Windows Update page and update from here. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And the last solution is to disable Windows search service. Okay, so search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. And then you can scroll down to the Windows search service, right click on it and then select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.